Hello, I'm going to demo the drag and drop reschedule on the calendar page. So to reschedule an assignment, you can click an assignment, click reschedule, and your new date. You can also just click and drag to the new day, like that. You'll see what you need to drop the assignment in are these drop zones. And so what I just did there is a normal reschedule that just moves one assignment very simply. You can also shift this assignment and everything after forward just like that. I'll shift back so you can kind of see how that works. And those are some really quick ways you can reschedule. You can also move an entire course if you click the whole course and drag like this. And you can see there that moved the assignments for Dan and Renee, and we'll undo that. And then another option you have, you can see this is very flexible, but you can also just free-form select multiple assignments like this. So you can select many assignments and just drag those assignments, or you can select entire days like that and make sure you click in these boxes here and you can select entire days. So those I hope you'll find really useful. A couple of other little things to know about the drag and drop reschedule is that you can drag to next and previous weeks by hovering on the edge of the screen while you're dragging. So let's say we want to move this quiz to the next week. We can drag to the edge of the screen and then drop here on Monday. And you can move back a week here just as simply. So we'll hold and drop. So that's how you go between weeks. There's a couple of other drop zones you'll see. One is called the freeform reschedule. So in this case, because biology is really just Monday through Friday, we don't have assignments on Saturday. That's called a freeform reschedule. So you can still move to any day, but that'll kind of let you know which days are part of your course and which are not. So we'll move that back. And then the last thing to know is you can change assignment end dates with this drag and drop method. So in the calendar, you have done this by clicking the first date and then the second date, and you can have an assignment run multiple days like that. I'm going to cancel and then close out of this. And you can do that with drag and drop by dropping in this end assignment date drop zone here. So I'm going to have this assignment now start Friday and end Saturday. And you can undo that just as quickly. So those are some things to know about the drag and drop reschedule. I hope that you find it really useful, and I'll see you next time.